In Oklahoma, there's several things you can make claims for in your car wreck case. You can make a claim for your medical expenses. You make a claim for your personal injuries, your pain and suffering, your future pain and suffering. You can also make a claim for, if there's a wrongful death, you can make a claim for the loss of a loved one, for the loss of companionship, the loss of growing old with your spouse. A lot of those are emotional, they're hard to put a value on, but you can make a claim for that. You can also make a claim for your vehicle, get your vehicle fixed and paid for. Normally that happens earlier in the case. You can also make a claim for any type of future permanent impairment if you can't return to the work you had previously done. That's a factor. So there's a lot of things you can make claim for. Some of them are easier to prove than others. If you're self-employed, it's tough sometimes to show what your lost wages are, as the fact that you sometimes don't always show you make more money in some years, so it's hard to determine exactly what you make. If you work for somebody and you get a W-2 every year, it's definitely easier to show how much you make in lost wages. The big things, though, I think that you need to make a claim for in personal injury cases, outside of wrongful death cases, are your pain and suffering, past and future, your medical expenses, and also you have an opportunity to help the community be safer by deterring this particular person who caused the injury from doing it again to somebody else. And one of the things I really stress is that we want to make our community safer. If someone violates a safety rule and causes injury, then that person needs to be deterred from doing that again. Distracted driving is becoming a problem, and that's why we need to always look at those things. So there's quite a range of items and damage you can claim in an auto wreck case.